The style I created inside the ACJ TwoTwenty is about street art. It's about my graphic vocabulary. It comes from the street, from back in the day, and I grew up with that. And I want to mix and make the bridges between the aeronautic and the cozy private jet. That's about culture and techniques and emotion. Colors is about life. Bright color is about happiness and love and joy. I'm a joyful people, you know. I'm a joyful person. My preferred VIP area could be the cinema lounge. I think so, because it's really chill. You can see a movie, land on your sofa, a big screen like this, in a plane. That's fantastic. To me, it's fantastic. I can dream. It makes me dream.